Hello, this is video number 20 in the course of the Solo Typing Tutor application. This program allows you to learn typing without looking at the keyboard. You need to start with the placement of your finger on the original position. Place your fingers as shown on the screen. In the first part you need to type 5 lines of the word leg. You can see we are moving on to a type of simple words instead of combination of letters. This is necessary for future progress. Take your time and control the rhythm. Exercise number 20 is very simple and usually not difficult for users. Take your time to avoid mistakes. See you in the next video.